Hello. In this video I want to show how to replace open coil in Ronda 751 movement. This is very small movement, and I put it on this special small platform, and I'm going to start the procedure by unscrewing these 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. These screws are of different size, so we need to pay attention where, in which place each screw should go. So these two first screws, they are the same, and the third screw is different, and it has different length. It's the longest screw in this movement, and at this point I can lift the upper plate and the electronics board, and this is the coil, and another screw is holding this coil. So this fourth screw of different length than previous 3. So we put it separately, and we will remove this also metal part. So we are going to take good coil and put it at the place of first one. Going back with this metal plate. It needs to find its own place. And we will put back that fourth screw. And we will tighten it completely. Now we are going to put back the electronics board. And this upper plate. And we will put back first screw, what we unscrewed before. And the second screw goes here. And last one, the longest one, goes here. And I will tighten these 3 screws. Okay, this is actually old procedure, and this is how to replace the coil in Ronda 751 movement. Thank you for watching, and please give me likes if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye now.